Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about set off and carry forward of losses under income tax. The income or profit is subject to pay tax under Income Tax Law and Practices 1961. But it is not a normal situation for a business concerns to earn profit throughout the year or year after year. There may be a chance for incurring losses also. If the company incur a loss, or if a house property results in loss of income, or is there any loss on capital gain, how it should be treated is dealt under set of losses. Losses are adjusted in the same year. The procedure of adjusting the loss incurred in the same year against the same head of income or another head of income is called it as set off. Okay. Now we discuss about the meaning. Set off and carry forward loss is the process in which the losses incurred for any tax year of the taxpayer shall be carried forward to the following tax year and deducted from the taxable income, which means that if there is an income, from that income the loss should be deducted. There are two types of adjustment of losses in the same year, that is called it as set off. There are two types of set off. First one is inter-source adjustment, which means that the adjustment of losses under or within the same head of income. Section 70 deals with inter-source of adjustment. On the other hand, section 71 deals with inter-head adjustment. First, we should try for inter-source adjustment. If it is not possible means we can go for inter-head adjustment, which means that the adjustment of loss of one head with another head of income. Okay. First, we should do inter-source adjustment as per section 70. If it is not possible means next we go for inter-head adjustment as per 71. Both are not possible means the balance loss should be carried forward to the forthcoming years. It can be adjusted in the next years. That is the third step. Provision section 70 to 80 of Income Tax Act contains the rules for set off losses for the first two sources of income. If the two steps are not possible in the same year means we can go for the third step, that is carry forward of losses. Now we discuss about the rules. This is very important. Totally there are 5 sources of income. Income from salary, income from house property, income from business, income from capital gain, income from other sources. Under the 5 sources, there is no chance for incurring loss in salary income. இல்லையாப்பா, salary வாங்காமல் இருக்கலாம், but there is no chances for losses. Hence, first, no loss on salary. But there is a chance for income from loss from house property. If there is a loss from house property means it should be first adjusted against salaries. Salary கூட இது மட்டும்தான் adjust பண்ண முடியும், loss from house properties மட்டும். ஓகேவா? To the maximum of 2 lakhs. Where if there is no income from salary means the loss from house property can be adjusted against business income, capital gain, income from other sources. Okay, this is called income from house, loss from house property. It can be adjusted against the remaining 4 sources of income. Next, business income. Business incomes are classified into 2: speculative business, non-speculative business. If there is a loss from speculative business means it should be adjusted only from the speculative income. not against non-speculative business income. Okay, where if there is a loss on non-speculative business means it can be adjusted against house property income, capital gain income, income from other sources, and business income also. Okay, except salary, it can be adjusted against the 4 sources. Speculative is adjusted only against speculative. Where capital gain loss, there are 2 types of capital gain, short term, long term. Short term capital loss should be adjusted against only short term capital gain. Short term can be adjusted against both short term as well as long term, whereas long term capital loss only adjusted against long term capital gain. Then there is a chances for loss on other sources la horse races. If there is any loss on horse race means that will be adjusted against another horse race incomes. Suppose there are 2 horse races means one horse's yield loss means that should be adjusted against another horse income. Then next procedure is carry forward of losses. If present year loss is not adjusted against present year income means it can be carry forward for the next years, forthcoming years. For loss from house property, it can be adjusted against income from house property for the 8 consecutive years. Speculative loss can be carried forward for 4 consecutive years. Non-speculative 8 consecutive years. Capital gains both short term as well as long terms are carried forward for 8 years. Then loss from owing and maintaining horse races can be adjusted only from profit from horse race. If not means the same is carry forward for 4 consecutive years. Till now we discussed or tabulated here in a short form for your better understanding. House property can be adjusted all heads. If there is balance means for 8 years it can be carry forward. Speculative loss only against speculative income 4 years. Unobserved depreciation is a separate topic. Section 32 subsection 2 deals with the unobserved depreciation. It can be adjusted against any income other than salary. Like that, there is no limit for carry forward. Business losses can be adjusted against any head except salary 8 years. Both long term capital gain, short term capital gain carry forward for 8 years. Owing and maintaining horse races for 4 years. Specified business loss can be adjusted against specified business incomes, and the limit of carry forward is infinite, which means that the loss can be carried forward for n number of years. With this we conclude the set of and carry forward of losses. Thank you. I am Dr. Saraswati, working as assistant professor in PG Department of Commerce, Sri Kalishwari College, Sivagasi.